Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a very basic circuit of auto night street light. These are the following components that you need for this device. Here's a 12-volt power supply, one resistor, one light dependent resistance LDR, one transistor, and one LED. Positive terminal of this power supply should be connected with the positive terminal of the LED. Negative terminal of this LED should be connected with the collector. A meter of this BJT should be connected with the negative terminal of the power supply. So when the voltage at the base of this BJT should be is greater than 3, this will join these two components and light will be turned on. When this voltage less than 3 volt, this will not connect these terminal and light will not be turned on. So what I have to do when there will be a light, their voltage at the base of this device should be less than 3, and when there will be no light, voltage should be greater than 3 so that light will be turned on. So now I have the full intensity 44 lux. Here I have full light on this LDR and light is turned on. Now I will decrease the intensity of the light and you will see that light will be turned on. How much intensity do you need? You can adjust this resistance to change the intensity of this light.